A bespoke privacy notice created for your organization. Launch the generator to create a privacy notice for your customers and suppliers, or for your staff and volunteers. Next, choose your sector. Gather the information you need. Our checklist will help you with explanations and links. Answer the questions about your organization's use of personal information. Generate your privacy notice. You can download your notice or copy and paste it. Just check it's all good to go, add your own logo, and it's ready to share.